How to withdraw from Binance to Revolut account. So in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Binance to your Revolut account. So after you open up your Binance app like this, now go to this menu at the top left side. After you open this menu, now scroll to down, go to more services. So under this more services, now scroll to down and go to withdraw page. So under the withdraw page, now tap on this option. Now make sure you are on withdraw and tap on this option to select the currency. So go ahead and select the currency. So after you select the currency, let's say for me, I'll go with this one. So after you select the currency, now it will give you this receipt method. Now this option will be available for you if your currency is available. So if you tap on this, if you tap on the receiving method and tap on this continue button, from there it will give you the list of banks that are available. So now you can go ahead and select the Revolut. From there it will ask you to fill in your Revolut account details and specify the amount and complete verification. From there the money will be sent into your Revolut account. That's it.